Hey guys, welcome back to Cute Kawaii Cat.
That's my cousin and she's making a video. Well,
That's my cousin.
James. Or whatever.
So, I'm gonna show you like some of the squishies. So let's get started. So the first one I'm gonna show you is this Jumbo Panda squishy.
And it's like a lot of squishies. So yeah. So
Here's
the first
white.
one
I don't know why, but
Panda Bun.
oh my god! And the next one is this Jumbo Strawberry. I bought this like from somewhere, but I forgot. Maybe I think I ordered it, and then it's like a dipped strawberry. The tag is so big. See, same size as the strawberry. I think. I don't know. Here's the tag, and then it's like so squishy. Next one, I'm not really sure that is this a squishy. It's like a stress ball or something. It's like the arms are blue. It's like hard a little bit, but it's okay. It's like a snowman Pikachu. And next one is this one.
I think she put the extra ones on top. So this is an emoji one. This is an extra one, I think.
Very cute and squishy, but it's not so. It's like not too sliding, but it's fine.
So,
I forgot which one I showed. I mean that's fine.
This,
Anywho,
like, cookie.
next one is this small little panda bun. It's like
really hard.
it's a little bit sliding. That ears is half, the white is half, but it's okay. Next one is this squishy. The tag is this. Oh, upside down. There you go. Oh, it says yummy, and this is the squishy. It's like a Cafe Bien one. There you go. Okay. Yeah, it's like very squishy. That's the face, like Cafe Bien one. So, and there are some also homemade ones, but the first homemade ones is I'm not gonna. Okay, it's from this. It's a strawberry chocolate bricks, and I hope you enjoy it from here. So it's like very squishy also. It's like cute. And next one is it's a bread toast. It's a toast bread. So I'm gonna choose like my favorite ones. There's a lot of my favorite ones. So the first of my favorite ones is this Jumbo Squishy, because like it smells like strawberry, which I like to eat strawberry. Which the tag is also very big and it's very cute. I think there's another color called it's like pink, but don't mind me. And also there's the acrylic tag, which there's the acrylic tag.
Pumpkin game.
So squishy. And my second favorite one is this. It's like a Cafe Jam one, but it's not. It's a Hello Kitty one. It's like my favorite. It's like this is my favorite one. And then my second favorite one is like this. It's like very squishy. And then my favorite one is this. It's like very squishy. And next one is this Jumbo Panda Bun. And the last but not least is like broken one broken hand, which is this like a scratch ball.
Then the next one, there's like a lot, because I ordered a lot, and I think this is a smiley face or something.
It is a Pokemon.
Is a Pikachu who's white.
Pokemon. See, look at the ears.
You can see they're all like here.
So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like and subscribe. And yeah, leave a comment down below which is like your favorite one of all of them. My first favorite one is this one. It's like so squishy and it's like